Well, good morning and welcome back to another show with the Crafty Hook. And again, my name is Nona. For those of you that are new, my channel does a lot of crochet tutorials, loom knitting tutorials, diamond art, just any type of hobby that I like to share with you. I am a hobbyist and I like doing all kinds of different crafts, kind of go over what I'm working on, stuff like that. So in today's video, just going to kind of do a little chit chat with you and let you know where I'm at on my projects and what I've been working on. So let's get started. So good morning. Look at that lovely weather out there. Still got a little bit of snow out there left. Still trying to hope it warms up a little bit, kind of get it all melted. So yeah, we got the lovely snow still out there from the storm we had like a week and a half ago. It's been about, I would say, between 28 and 35 degrees the last 3 or 4 days. We did have a lot of it kind of melt off, like the top of the roof and stuff like that, but our driveway is just literally like an ice rink right now. Been kind of putting out some sand and heat out there, kind of get it to melt up, and been kind of going out and breaking it every so often because it is cold out there. The next couple of days we're supposed to get down to like -6 and -8 for this weekend, so that's going to be lovely. So what have I been up to? What have I been working on this week? First off, let's start with the diamond art that I've been kind of working on. So as all of you know that's been kind of following me, this is the goddess and her tiger, one that I'm working on here. Kind of show you. So this is kind of similar to what it will look like when it is finished. It is part of the safari wall and stuff I'm doing in my living room. And I actually got a little bit more done this week. Got kind of halfway up, I would say, her arm here, almost to like the shoulder part of it. And then when I get over here, I'll be working up into the tiger. Sorry, the covers that I have kind of covers up a lot of it, keep the dust and that off, but other than that, that's about how far I've gotten with this one. This one's actually going a little slower because of all the projects I have. So yeah, that I've been kind of working on it as much as I possibly can. Usually in the evening time is when I usually get the peace and the quiet and just kind of sit here and get some more of it done. I've been working also on the blanket and also the loom knitting scarf. Let's go ahead and show you that. Okay, so I have been kind of still going on and working on the scarf here, the loom knit scarf. Kind of trying to get it to the length that I need here. And then we're going to do the cast off. Kind of do a video, show you how to cast it off. But this is kind of how far I've gotten so far. And still kind of working on that. I did get a new hook. So just kind of going along, trying to finish the loom knit scarf. Kind of going a little slow on it as well. I have several projects that I work on at the same time because if I get bored with the diamond art, I can go and do my loom knitting and then the crochet blanket, stuff like that. So I kind of rotate. I did also get this in the mail this week. It's a KB loom hook. It's a different hook, one of the ones I don't have, and it kind of has the bigger, softer handle on it, so it kind of helps a lot with my arthritis in my hand, and they don't cramp up as easily. So yes, I've been kind of keeping up with getting the loom knitted scarf finished. Taking a little longer than I expected, but of course I'm working on several projects at one time, and again, it is coming up on tax season. And I do help with taxes. I have a few people that I help with the tax part of it. So just trying to get that caught up as well. And I will keep up on the video on doing the cast off on that also. But yes, this is a new hook that I had gotten. It is a KB hook. I don't know if it'll kind of show the name here. Nope, it's not gonna. It's a KB hook by KB Looms. And I just got this. I just started using it about 3 days ago, and I love it. I actually like this a lot more than this one. This is my Sandwood loom that came with the Sandwood looms that I have. I do like this one for the simple fact it's really kind of easy to work with, but I suffer from arthritis in my hands, and this hook has really made a big difference. So those of you, if you suffer from like the arthritis and the hands cramping and that, definitely try one of these out. So the next project that I was working on was that crocheted blanket. Kind of show you where I'm at on that one here. So here's the crochet blanket. I started about two to 3 weeks ago. So I'm still coming along with this one here. It is taking some time. I do still have about another 3 weeks. 3 to 4 weeks to get this done. This one is actually going to a friend of mine's daughter for her birthday. Those of you that haven't seen the previous videos about kind of what I'm doing on this blanket, the lighter color of the blanket is a half double crochet. And then the darker, the purpley blue, is a half double crochet. So half double crochet, or excuse me, this is a double crochet on the darker color, and then the lighter color is the half double crochet. And then once I get it the size that I need, I'll be doing the border, and I'm probably going to do the border in like a single crochet and a double crochet, kind of couple rows of it. But this is about how far I've gotten with the crochet blanket. Kind of coming out pretty nice. And I believe once this is done, this is going to be a really nice warm blanket. It is pretty heavy already, and it's not even halfway there. I haven't really gotten any further on my block blanket. Those of you that have followed me had seen the last video. I have like different patterns. This is like what they call like a shell stitch here. And then you've got your double crochet. Got a block of the double crochet in the white. This is the block double crochet like what I showed the other day. So I did one in that. And then I also have like the darker brown. This one is kind of similar to another shell stitch that I had learned here. So I'm doing a block for every one of these blocks is a different stitch. Here's another one. This one is a single crochet block. And when they're all done, there'll be a border that kind of goes around each square. And then I have a mat board that I had gotten, and I will place these like on a mat board and then like kind of join them together, kind of like in this situation. So that is the projects that I'm working on right now, still trying to get them finished up. Got the crochet blanket I got to have done by the end of February, still working on the diamond painting, and then I also am still getting the loom knit done. So yeah, that's pretty much what I've been kind of working on this week. I got the loom knit scarf I'm still working on, trying to get that long enough, and then I'm going to do a cast off video with you all, kind of show you how I do the cast off for that. And then maybe I'm thinking about adding like some fringe to both ends of the scarf. Maybe do another video on that one as well. I did also get this week, I went on Amazon and I got this blocking board. Here, it's got like a bunch of pegs in that. This is to be used like on the block blanket. So when I finish the blocks and I plan to put them together, I'll be putting it on here. And I'll do another video on that of how I steam them, clean them, and get ready for them to be sewn together. This board comes with a stand. So I kind of have the stand here. The board kind of stands up in this little thing like this if I want to stand it up, or I can lay it flat and work on it. It comes with this little velvety bag here, and in the bag, I'm just going to show you. You get like 50 of these little pegs, and they just kind of fit. They kind of stick right into the hole. That way it'll hold the blocks down when I'm misting them and steaming them, getting them ready to be sewn together. So I'm not sure how many of you have actually worked with a blocking board, but we're going to get into doing that as well when I get all the blocks done. That'll be probably, I would say, about a month down the road, because I do have quite a few blocks I need to put together. I also got in this box, this came from Amazon the other day as well. So it kind of shows you here everything that came with it. You know, I got the scissors, stuff like that. So let's show you what that is. So I ordered this kit. This is a cutting mat and things like that. Kind of comes with the cutting mat here. It's kind of folded and bent in half here to fit in the box. So here's the cutting mat. You get a pair of scissors. You get a ruler. You have the cutter for the mat to cut your fabric or whatever. I'm planning to do curtains for my RV, and I want to do a video on that as well. And then you have your sculpting knife here that comes with it. You have your marking pen, an extra blade for your cutter, the extra blade that goes with the cutter, and then of course a bag of clips here to clip down your material. I was handed down a sewing machine from a friend of mine that I had lost to cancer a few years back, so I'm going to kind of start getting into sewing. It also came with this little nifty little board here for cutting and that as well, so just kind of adding on to my stash as far as the crafting. For my block blanket, this will kind of help out a little bit, maybe with any other appliques additions that I want to add around, like each one of the blocks and that. So kind of a nice little kit here. So I'll kind of hold it up and show you. I can actually get it back in the box here. So this nice little nifty box came with all the supplies and that. That is on Amazon, and if I don't forget, I'll add the link on for that also. So you all, that's pretty much what I've been up to this week. Kind of a few new different things I got on Amazon to add on to my crocheting and stuff. And I hope that you enjoyed the video. I appreciate each and every one of you for all of your support. Don't forget to give me those thumbs up if you like the video. Helps me out on my channel. And we will catch you on the next one. You all have a great day. Bye-bye.